Today we will learn how to get our data which is sent from another activity v intent. So first we will design our XML file to receive data. Okay, we will make text view only to receive our data here. Okay, name for age, for phone, for password, or for email. We will make many changes as we always make. Your name is okay. Your age is your phone is your email is you always try to make it acceptable. Okay, then the last, your password is okay. Finally, we will get data here in our activity. So we will define many objects of text view and name it t text, t name, t age, t phone, t email, t password. Okay, we must import text view as here. If we make it now, we will find the ID for every text view as we made before for edit text. So we will write tname and make a cast text view, find view by ID r.id, and we will know which text view so this is our ID for the first text view. Then we will make the same thing for t age, and we will find the ID. Okay, write it here. T1. Okay, and find the ID for it. As I told you before, you can change this ID. And for email, and here I get all my ID for every text view. So every ID here, and I can now get data from another activity and put it in this text view. So the user write his data in a form which we made before. We get it from user and this send it by intent. Okay, and in this activity we will get this data from him by intent, get intent. After that we will put it in text view to be appear in another activity. So we will use to name dot set text. Okay, by intent object we will make in dot get string dot string etc. Okay, and I will get the name of this which I used before to name this data. Okay, we must be string. So this code will get data from intent which called the name and set it in tname by set text. Okay, and I will make the same thing for every text view, but I will change this to name which I use here. Okay, so age and for email. Finally for password. So here I will run our app and see what happened. This is our final code for getting the data from activity to another one, which data entered by the user. It is long, but it is very easy. You can make one and you will get data from activity to another. So try to make it. Here we get number only. We enter any data just for test. When we click here, right, so our data is appear here except your phone. Okay, we must return our activity and so why it isn't appear. When we return to our activity and see our code, we find something wrong. We write here T phone and this is wrong. We must make it phone only, as the name here is phone, not T phone. Okay, we can make our text view bold and change the size for it so to appear more bigger than we made before. It is yours. You can make many changes and you can change the colors. Okay, so it is your turn to make many changes for this form and make it to be beautiful than this. Okay, then make it bold. So we will enter our data again and try to see what happened. Submit. Here our data is shown here. Everything is right as we made it before. So your task is to make an app like this, to make a form and enter data and send it to another activity and show it in another activity like this. But you can make many changes for colors, for size, for every text view. Thanks.